The fourth source of evidence is scientifically derived and comes from Dr. Robert Gentry, who conducted most of his experiments in the Oak Ridge National Laboratory in Tennessee. His findings have been published in peer-reviewed scientific journals such as Science, Nature, Geophysical Research Letters, Earth and Planetary Science Letters, Physical Review Letters, and Annual Review of Nuclear Science. To this date, Dr. Gentry has not been discredited. In December 1981, Dr. Gentry was called to testify at an Arkansas trial where the ACLU attempted to prevent the teaching of creation science in public schools. The ACLU brought geologist Dr. Brent Dalrymple to testify for evolution. On the witness stand, when presented the evidence, Dr. Brent Dalrymple had found no answer to defend the ACLU's position and was subsequently disregarded. Dr. Robert Gentry's discovery was found below the sedimentary rock layer inside of thick granite. What had been discovered was tiny bits of radioactive matter which came in the shape of a three-dimensional orb. These bits of radioactive matter are called radiohalos. Scientists can tell what caused these radiohalos by measuring their sizes. Dr. Robert Gentry has examined 100,000 of these radiohalos in granite samples taken from America, Canada, Scandinavia, Europe, Russia, Japan, and Madagascar. According to the principles of the theory of evolution, these radiohalos shouldn't exist. These polonium isotopes only occur for a few minutes before decaying, yet this radioactive element has imprinted its halo inside of solid granite. According to geological scientists, granite originated in a molten state, cooled, crystallized, and hardened over millions of years in the deep earth. If this is true, the radioactivity produced by polonium would never have been captured. It would have decayed away long ago before the rock solidified. The polonium halos were embedded deep in the granite, and the halos were there sometimes when the rock was formed. And this is evidence that the granite had to have been formed instantly and not over millions of years, because scientifically they cannot be counted for in any other way. When confronted with this evidence, invalidating the evolutionist position, F. Fitz Osborne of Laval University in Montreal noted in the Origin of Granite by Geological Society of America in Memoir 28, he concluded, "We have never satisfied ourselves as to the solution." And we find the same conclusion from Professor W.S. Fife, who works in the geology department at the University of Western Ontario, in The Origins of Granites, which is in Transactional Royal Society of Edinburgh, Earth Sciences, 79 parts 2 to 3, page 345.